What if you could turn any niche or trend into profit today without building products, without writing copy, without setting anything up or hosting pages or any of that time-consuming stuff that you'd normally encounter? Here's a tool that'll do everything for you in one dashboard. Keep watching to see Niche Empire Builder in action. Here's the demo.
Welcome to this demonstration for Niche Empire Builder. Now in this demonstration I'm going to show you how quick and easy you can build a product. So we're inside Niche Empire Builder here, you can see. So what I'm going to do is going to click New Project, and you can see we can create a front-end micro offer. So we're going to give this product a name. So we'll just call this Digital Marketing. I'll put it in the Make Money Online category. So I'm going to call this Traffic Blitz. I'm going to enter the vendor name, which is myself. I'm going to enter my terms and conditions link. Then I'm going to select the niche expertise. So with this, I want to go with digital marketing, but you can see we've got multiple different niches to choose from, and you can also choose custom. So if we don't have a niche here, so for example, if you want to create a product on, let's say, dog training, you can use the custom niche. So we'll go with digital marketing. We'll select the target customer. With this one, I'm going to go with complete beginners. Now here I can choose PayPal or Stripe. I'm going to leave it at PayPal. I'm going to choose the different currency. I'm going to use US dollars. Now here I can describe my offer. So what I'm going to do is I want to create a product that will help marketers get more traffic to their digital products. I want you to suggest traffic methods, including social media. The more information you add here, obviously the better the product is, but I'll just keep it pretty short for the demonstration. So here I'm going to select the offer type. So this is the front-end offer. So I can have checklist, template, mini guide, step-by-step tutorial, worksheet, cheat sheet, resource list, script, copy, templates, planner, or toolkit. So with this, I'm just going to go with checklist. I can decide on the price. Let's say so it's going to be a micro offer. So I'm going to choose $2.97. I can set to capture the lead. So I'm going to use ActiveCampaign, what I've got in here. I'll just leave it as this list. I can also add Zapier or any other webhooks, and can also add to webinars. So when anyone purchases your micro offer, you're automatically building a buyers list. So I'm going to hit save, and I'm going to click generate micro offer. Okay, so I paused that while it was generated. Now the page and the offer has been generated, so let me show you what is actually generated. So first let's save. So we save this project. So first, let me show you the micro offer content that's created. This is a product that you would be selling. So traffic growth starter kit. So you can see here it's generated a full checklist. You can also edit that with the editor. If you want to add images on here or any links or anything like that, you can add those there as well. It's created the sales page and the thank you page, which I'll show you in a moment. It's created promotional emails, social media posts, YouTube video scripts, TikTok video scripts, Insta Reel video scripts, add content pack, and the thank you page. Now the thank you page is dynamic, so you can add in your own email here. You can add maybe an upsell as well if you wanted to, or an advertisement for an affiliate product, whatever you want here. You can add as much information, but the downloads are all set dynamically. So once we've got that, what I'll do, I'll show you how the funnel looks. So we'll come over to projects. Let's go to the project I've just created. We'll go here and we'll grab the funnel link. Then we'll paste that funnel link in. And you can see this is the product that is created. You can see $2.97. It's put everything in. It's even added the add to cart button, which automatically goes to PayPal. So everything's set, the delivery's set, everything that you need now is done for this product. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the inside.
So as Richard has just demonstrated in his demo, Niche Empire Builder creates pretty much everything you need to profit from any niche or trend that you like. And you can do it all in literally minutes. The only question you should be asking yourself now is which niche or niches. Because if you do the same as everyone else, as good as this tool is, you're only going to get the same kind of results. You're going to hit a lot of competition. So what I've done is provided a fix for that. If you click the link underneath this video, so the link in the description, and go back to my blog page, if you read the part under the video on the page, I'll give you the niches to use with this tool. The kind of niches that nobody else is focusing on. I'll tell you why these niches don't get talked about and why they are worth a small fortune to anyone, even beginners. Just one of these niches made me over $140,000 in a little over 6 months. And I didn't even have this tool at the time. So click the link in the description and check out the blog page now.